going to talk about a mortgage broker, a mortgage advisor, and a mortgage coach. Sounds a bit like an Irish joke. But anyway, basically, when you're looking at a mortgage broker, there are two types. There's the independent type, and then there's the type that works specifically within a bank. If you have a current account with a lender, quite a lot of people do tend to go to their bank and get a mortgage there. Now, they will sit you down, I think now it's for a couple of hours, and go through the whole of your finance situation and then let you know whether you're eligible for a mortgage or not. But they will only offer, if they do offer you anything, will only offer you mortgages within that bank. Now, if you go to an independent mortgage broker, they will have a range of lenders that they can lend to you, and you need to double check how many lenders they have access to. That's another question. But the main difference I find between a mortgage broker and a mortgage advisor is a broker is looking to give you the best deal of the day, for want of a better word. So they will look at your current situation. So they'll look at your current credit report, they'll look at your debt to income ratio, and they'll look at your credit utilization. And based on all of that information, they will offer you what is the best deal for you. So if you've already found the property and you want a quick turnaround, then the broker probably is the one that you would look at initially. What I would say is consider a mortgage advisor. What a mortgage advisor does is they do look at your situation, they do look at your credit, they do look at your credit utilization, your debt to income ratio, and everything else. But what they do is they give you advice. They don't just say this is the best deal for the situation. They will actually go through budgets with you and things like that and actually explain and give you a lot of advice. Now, here's where I come in. And I like to call myself the mortgage coach. And I like the idea of combining brokerage with being a mortgage advisor, but also being a finance coach. And where I come in is I will help you if you're ready to buy your first property right now. I'm available. But if you've just started saving up for the deposit, or you've been saving up for a little while and you need some advice, I am the person. So I will give you financial coaching, which involves talking about your budget, talking about how best to save for a deposit, talking about how to build your credit, and talking about how to improve your affordability. So the three main things that when you're looking to get mortgage ready is affordability, your credit profile, your credit score. We can go through all of that in more detail, and also your deposit. Now, sometimes it can take several months, even years, to work on those three areas. That's where a mortgage coach comes into play. A mortgage advisor and a mortgage broker you'll look at when you've kind of already saved your deposit and you're about to either look for a property, or you've already found the property and you're about to put an offer in, or you go to the estate agent to put the offer in on the property and they say, have you got a mortgage advisor or broker? And then that's when you think, oh, I need one. But the sooner you come to anyone for mortgage advice, the better, really, because it will, one, speed up the process of saving for a deposit because they can give you advice. It will also speed up the process of the likelihood of you getting a mortgage, because they'll help you create your credit and build up your credit, and how to improve it and repair credit if any of those things need doing. So it really is important to make sure you find the right one. As I said at the beginning, the majority of people tend to not think they even need a mortgage advisor, and what they will do is they will just go to their current lender and see what's on offer. I mean, I know when I first bought, that's what I did, because I didn't know any better, and I really wish that someone had told me that there were things called independent mortgage advisors out there, because I would have got a much better deal than the deal I got with my bank. And but at the end of the day, that's what this is all about, giving you other options so you can look into it and decide what works for you. So if you've got any questions, by all means, put them in the comments. My YouTube channel you can subscribe to, so I can give you more advice on these areas, and let other people know, because the more you subscribe, obviously it helps the algorithm and it pushes my video out more, and more people will actually get to see it and get to understand how all of this works, because it really is important for you to understand and know what's going on and what options you've got. Thank you.